Today, we're tackling a very current and practical question. Can you use EBT on DoorDash for 7-Eleven? It's a topic that's been on the rise, especially as more people look to combine the convenience of delivery services with the benefits of their EBT, electronic benefits transfer cards. Let's dig into this. First, let's understand what EBT is. EBT is used by state welfare departments to issue benefits, including SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, formerly known as food stamps. SNAP benefits can be used to purchase eligible food items from authorized retailers. But the key question here is, does this include online and delivery services like DoorDash, specifically for stores like 7-Eleven? To address this, we must note that historically, EBT usage was restricted to in-person transactions due to the need for a PIN entry. However, recent updates and pilot programs have expanded these rules to include online purchases at select retailers. This was largely motivated by the need for greater access during the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, turning our attention to DoorDash and 7-Eleven. As of my last update, DoorDash allows users to order from 7-Eleven, but traditionally, EBT payments have not been directly supported on the DoorDash platform for 7-Eleven or most other stores. That said, the landscape of online shopping with EBT cards is rapidly evolving. Some retailers have begun to experiment with accepting EBT for online orders, but this often involves direct ordering through the retailer's own platform, not third-party delivery services. However, there's a layer of complexity here. While DoorDash itself might not directly process EBT payments for 7-Eleven orders, there could be local or future initiatives that start to bridge this gap. The key takeaway is that, as of now, using EBT directly on DoorDash for 7-Eleven purchases might not be possible. But the situation is fluid and subject to change as both technological capabilities and policies evolve. In conclusion, while the current answer to whether you can use EBT on DoorDash for 7-Eleven is generally no, it's important to stay informed about changes. We are moving towards a digital future where more options become available for EBT users, including potential expansion into delivery services. Keep an eye on updates from both EBT programs and delivery platforms like DoorDash. Thank you for watching. Navigating the intersection of technology, convenience, and government benefits can be complex, but understanding these evolving policies can help maximize your benefits while enjoying the conveniences of modern technology. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into making the most of your shopping experiences.